In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logo to Zoho Books profile. Adding your logo to Zoho Books is a quick way to make your invoices, estimates, and customer portal look polished and on brand. Before we begin, have your logo file ready on your computer. A PNG with a transparent background usually looks the cleanest, though a high-quality JPG works too. Aim for a clear, high-resolution file, so it stays crisp in PDFs. Something at least 600 pixels wide is a good baseline, but don't worry if yours is a bit different. Start on your Zoho Books dashboard. First, open the settings area by clicking the settings gear icon. You'll typically find this gear at the top or sidebar. This opens the central place where you manage how your organization looks and behaves. If you work with multiple organizations in Zoho Books, make sure you're currently viewing the one you want to update, since your logo is saved per organization. Next, go to branding. This section controls how your documents appear to clients, including your logo and visual preferences. Once you're in branding, you'll see your organization's branding panel. If a logo hasn't been added yet, you'll see a prompt. If one is already there, you'll see the existing image. Now, click Upload your organization logo. Choose your image file from your computer and confirm. Zoho Books will upload and process the image. After it loads, you should see your logo displayed within the branding area, and it will start appearing on your invoices, estimates, and the customer portal. A few tips to make it look great. If your logo appears too small or gets cropped, try a version with a little extra padding around the edges so it scales more comfortably. Horizontal logos often fit templates better than very tall, narrow ones. If you have both a horizontal and a square mark, the horizontal lockup typically aligns more neatly on invoice headers. For color, a transparent PNG works well against both light and colored templates. If your logo has light elements, consider a version with a darker outline so it stays legible on white backgrounds. If the upload doesn't go through, double check the file size and format. Keeping the file under a few megabytes helps it process faster. Renaming the file to something simple without special characters can also prevent hiccups. And if you don't see the branding option or the upload control, you may need the appropriate permissions in your organization. That's all there is to it. Your documents in Zoho Books now reflect your brand instantly, helping you present a consistent and professional image to every client. Thanks for watching and happy branding.